The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Burrita.
On your journey towards prosperity, you don't have to go it alone. The Burrita Income Portfolio gives you the opportunity to pool resources for maximum returns with regular interest payments to make your journey worthwhile. Contact Burrita today and achieve prosperity the Burrita way.
On your journey towards prosperity, you don't have to go it alone. The Burrita FX Bond Portfolio gives you the power of pooled funds and the additional stability of investing in a US dollar denominated portfolio. Contact Burrita today. Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. And now that Sagicor Group Jamaica has selected the senior management team for its expanded banking division, the focus at this time is on making the customer comfortable with a smooth transition. That's the word from the President and CEO of Sagicor Group Jamaica, Richard Baz. Baz, who would not be drawn by the OJR on any staff changes or redundancies below the senior level, told me today that a half-day meeting with staff members is being proposed next Saturday, June 28, 3 days before the official rebranding of the RBC branch network as Sagicor Bank Jamaica. In the meantime, transitional teams from both Sagicor and RBC have been working behind the scenes to ensure the kind of smooth changeover that Biles is championing. Yesterday, Sagicor Group announced that the banking division will be led by Donovan Perkins as President and CEO, supported by Philip Armstrong as Deputy CEO. Sagicor Investments will be headed by Rowan Miller, Executive Vice President at Sagicor Group Jamaica, in keeping with regulatory requirements for a clear line of demarcation between banking and investing activities. Share prices fell like 9 pence today, shaving 919 points or 1.3% off the main JSE index. 22 stocks traded, with 2 advancing, 13 declining and 7 holding firm. Today's 2 winners were Caribbean Cement and Supreme Ventures, up 3.6%. The losers included Caribbean Cream, down 9.6%, Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, down 8.9%, D&G Hardware and Lumber, Lime, NCB, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Scotia Group, and Seprod Limited. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 6 Jamaican cents, closing at a new record high average selling rate of $111.62. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound weakened against the Jamaican currency. The Canadian dollar declined by 10 cents Jamaican to close at $102.43, whilst sterling lost 22 cents Jamaican to close at an average selling rate of $188.73. Now finally, Jamaicans have generally been consumed by the euphoria of the World Cup, which is truly an opiate for our myriad problems. However, do you know how costly it is to host the world's greatest show? It's costing Brazil $14 billion to host the current World Cup, which built 5 brand new facilities in 5 of the chosen cities. Now that's enough money to fund Jamaica's entire national budget for several years and pay down on our debt. Now consider this. It cost the French $340 million to host the 1998 World Cup. In 2010, the South Africans spent $4 billion, and in 2002, Japan and Korea, which jointly hosted the World Cup, spent $5 billion. South Africa spent $4 billion on the 2010 hosting, and 4 years earlier, Germany spent $6 billion. Hosting the greatest show on earth cost big bucks. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Burrita, making money work for you.